Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your American Airlines app. So all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here can you looking for American Airlines app, or just click on search. Then add here American Airlines app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on force stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, you click here on storage. Come to storage list here. Then you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for American Airlines. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.